fancy, pure, and simple videos.
Hey everyone, this is JR with JP Take 3. Today I wanna change my skin, so I took it out already. You guys seen the leather look skin, so I'm gonna wipe it down real good with the cloth that came with it. Um, as you can see, got it from SopiGuard. I've been using this skin a lot with a lot of my devices. As you can see, the quality is really nice. This one has a nice texture to it. Got the camouflage looking skin. Boy, this mirror glass is really nice. So shame to cover it, but I use mine daily. So I'm gonna ahead and wipe it down. Give you a nice cloth to wipe it down. They also have alcohol or something, but I don't use that. So now that my desk is clean, I'm gonna spray it with some air can that I got from Costco. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to start peeling from the corner. You have to peel it slowly because you don't want to stretch the plastic. Once you stretch it, it's gonna get a little bit out of line, and sometimes you might get a bad skin. Their printing device or something was off, so might be off a little bit. But I've been lucky so far with them for all my device. So now I'm gonna try and center the device by using the Microsoft logo. Now you're gonna do a couple tries, because the logo, but as you can see, they did a pretty good cutout. So I got lucky on this skin. On my Surface Pro, I was a little bit off, but still was doable. Trying hard here to align it. Then once you feel like you got it aligned, you can try it, but I'm having a hard time. Just have to have patience. The nice thing about this is the skin is real easy to come off. Could be because of the glass or what they use, 3M. So once you got it, go ahead and start pushing the middle part first, especially in the center, and then rub the skin. Now you don't want to rub too hard yet, just in case you want to make sure that the corners and the edges are pretty close to a line as you can. I wouldn't worry about bubbles because this skin really, I like the design. And then from there on you can just rub it. And then I use the cover or the thing that came with it. Okay, so now that looks pretty good. Again, patient, as you can see the edges. So the cut on this sticker was really good by them. Not much gap different, pretty close to the alignment. So I'm gonna wipe down the back now. I'm gonna shoot it down again with the air can. That way I can get some dust out. Costco. Now I'm gonna rotate it a little bit because I like to have it in this angle. It's easier for me to align it. Again, we're gonna peel the sticker from the corner. Again, you wanna pull it slowly because you don't wanna stretch the material. First time I ever did it, I stretched it and it was totally off. Again, take your time. Make sure the edges and the corner are aligned. Like this sticker is a little bit off. That's okay with me. I don't have to return it. It has a slight off on the top side, but it's actually not that bad. It's doable. Okay, so looking around the edges. Once I feel comfortable with it, I'm gonna rub it down so all the bubbles are gone. Now, if you're gonna see bubbles, you can pull it slowly by the corner and lift it up and then rub the bubbles out. But as you can see, I'm rubbing the bubbles out, so it's really nice. Again, I've been using their product for a while with my different devices, and so far I had no problem. Maybe a couple stickers that got out of a line, I was able to return it. And it was real quick in responding and sending me a replacement. As you can see, my screen protection still holding up, the matte finish. Actually, I like this design. I like the texture on it, grippy. So I'm gonna go ahead and change my bumper too. As you guys saw on my other video, I have the gray bumper. I'm gonna try red. Yeah, that looks good. I want to make sure it fits correctly before I take out the sticker. Now you wanna save that film that's in the bumper, because if you have your original one, at least you can put that sticker mask back on, so that way you can hang on to your bumper and it won't dry up. Okay, my edge is all clean. Now this is the sticker that I told you guys you should save if you have the original bumper, the glazier. This way you can put it back and keep the sticker clean, so you can change it if you want to use the glazier again. I find that it's easier to open the device and start pushing from the corner, and then make my work to the top, slowly pushing things in. That's pretty good. I like the feel of the bumper. I don't know what you guys think of the color red with the camo. Leave a comment. I'm just curious to see what you guys think of the red bumper. Maybe I put the gray back on. Again, I would keep this sticker thing so you can put it on your other bumper. That way you can rotate. So what you can do is you can clean your other bumper. This thing really sticks on nicely and quite easy to pull out. You just pull it out slowly from the corner. Then again, slowly push everything down. I think that looks good, the red. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know on the comments. I'm curious. Yeah, I like this design. Now, I kept these stickers here because you guys seen my leather skin. I already pulled it out earlier. It's actually quite simple. You got to just pull it out from the corner. So I saved this paper that came with the new one so I can put the old skin back. And that's my leather one that you guys saw on my previous videos. And it's still sticky. You know, if you pull it slowly without stretching it, and it's gonna work out. Again, I had no problem with them in the past. I highly recommend them. And they make for other devices too. Laptops, Surface Pros. You want to make sure the paper don't have dust or anything, so that way when you want to use it again, it'll be easy and you won't have any dirt or anything here. So there you got it. I was able to save my old skin, my leather look. SopiGuard, thank you. And that's how it looks. Again, if you guys enjoy my video, give me a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see future video, hit subscribe and hit the notification button. I really appreciate that. And it looks good. What do you guys think? Red or the gray? I like the skin. Thank you. Y'all be safe.